Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will try to learn what is Cypress with the theory and practical part. Theory is important for the learning perspective but also for the interview preparation. So what is Cypress? Cypress is an open source and free test automation tool. It can be used for both UI and API test automation. But in this tutorial, we will learn Cypress just for the UI automation. With the help of Cypress, we can configure, write test cases, execute those test cases, and also identify errors. So, how we can identify error? Based on the execution of those test cases, we come to know that which test cases are passed and which are failed. So, we also identify the error. Cypress also help us to create an detailed, comprehensive report in which it is mentioned that how many test cases are passed, how many are failed, how many are escaped, and much more. Now come to feature part. These all are the features which are supported by the Cypress. For now, just take screenshot of this and read all the features. We will try to learn all this with the practical portion part. So for now, just read it thoroughly and you will better understand when we do the practical part of this. Now, come to the architecture part of the Cypress. For now, you don't need how to deeply understand the architecture of the Cypress. You just have the basic idea. So let me explain you here. Here we have Node.js module. All the backend related activity will done at this level, and we have Cypress. Cypress will take control of your app. So where your app will run at this browser. So Cypress will directly take control of the your app with the help of the browser. So here we have an proxy server which will help to communicate between the Cypress and our browser. All these communication will be real-time communication. Why? Because we have attached here a WebSocket. So this is the basic level architecture of the Cypress.